Cpap 26 registered tips, repairs, and hobbies. And the Delta 2 EcoFlow is right here. And that's what it looks like. It has 4 USBs, 2 quick USBs and 2 regular USBs, and CBCs. Okay, that's the front of it. Has a power button right here and an indicator light right here and a screen right here to tell you the percentage of battery power that's in the unit. Okay, that's the front of it. This is the back of it. Bring it over to the center. This door underneath here is where you plug the power in to plug it into the wall. And also right here, see right there, that's where you put the the ZC cord to charge cigarette lighter card to charge it. Okay, is right in there. You plug it in there, and then you plug it into your car lighter to charge it up for 2 hours. Okay, and here's all your plugs. You get 6 plugs to plug devices into. Okay, so it looks like it can handle 6 things. And I'm not too sure about this part down here. I think it's for the solar part. You plug the solar panel into that. Lift this up and plug it in, and plug the solar panel in, and to charge it up with a solar panel. You can charge it up with a solar panel, and that's the back of it. Okay. I wish some of these plugs were on the front of the machine. Right here. They could put one here and one here. That would have been nice. Okay. But back is okay because it's towards the wall. So that's a quick overview of the EcoFlow the EcoFlow Delta 2 battery pack backup. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless you. And please rate and subscribe and give the thumbs up.